refuse to shine. A spark is born in broken dreams, a storm of soul and spine. It dances in the ether where the living dare not tread. A streak of purple spirit flame where fate and fear have bled. By a shrine of silver ruin, where the fox once made her vow, blue and violet fire sways, it flickers even now. A curse of love abandoned, a fire never tamed. You whisper her in nightmares, the kitsune never named. Esper lightning strike the sky, tear the veil where spirits cry. Kitsune's curse burn through lies, with every tear a flame will rise. Born of wrath and don't regret, two voices they cannot forget. One will blaze and one will blind, and both will leave the world behind. Esper dances swift and cold across the bones of kings. It hums with pain and power that no mortal silence brings. It listens to the fallen, it answers with a storm. The echo of 1,000 hearts that shattered in